Welcome back to Module 7. We will continue exploring the Adobe Connect environment in Module 7.2, where we will create and manage breakout rooms. We'll learn how to assign attendees to different rooms, visit breakout rooms while in sessions, and send messages to all attendees while in breakout rooms. When we first arrive in Adobe Connect, we are in the standard online classroom, which consists of showing each user who is assigned to a host, presenter, and participant view. This is the view we've been using throughout this course. Now we will learn to master a new room type, the breakout room. Breakout rooms are subrooms that can be created within a meeting or training session. They are useful for splitting a large group into a smaller group that can take on collaboration. To start breakout rooms, we will click on the Breakout Room View option in the Attendees widget, which can be found right here. After clicking on this button, you'll notice that the Attendees widget will slightly change, and you will now have options for starting the breakout rooms and organizing the attendees that are in the main room into breakout rooms. This can be done while everyone is in the main meeting room without interrupting the class, as long as the Start Breakout button is not clicked. You may want to take this approach if there are specific groups you would like set up, and additional group options will be shown later in this video. To move people between rooms before the breakout sessions start, we will hover over top of the username, and you will see a pop-up appear that allows you to select the breakout room you would like to place them in. So for example, if I hover over Christina's name, I can move her into breakout 1. Additionally, you have the ability to drag and drop the individual into the desired room as well. So as you can see, I can drag Mary Rose into breakout room 2. Like most software platforms, there are multiple ways to complete the same task. Please try both out and use what you feel most comfortable with. While breakout sessions are active, the facilitator will also take the same approach to move between each room and sit with the learners. Now on to starting out breakout rooms. Once you're ready to start the breakout rooms, we will click on the Start Breakouts button in the Attendees widget, which is right here. We need to be on the breakout view to see this option. Once this button is clicked, breakout rooms will begin. If you have not moved everyone into a room ahead of time, they will stay in the main meeting room. After I click on Start Breakouts, you will now see that me and Lori are left inside of the main room, and I can move Lori into a separate breakout room. I'm going to now move Mary Rose into breakout room 1 as well. And now we are all in one meeting room right now. One option you may be interested in implementing based on the size of the room is to create a new breakout room. This will allow you to create additional rooms if you have a large class size. Additionally, you can delete rooms by clicking the small X to the right of the breakout room name. So for example, by clicking on this plus button here, we can create a new breakout room, and you'll now see breakout room 4 here. Additionally, if I go to this X, I have now been able to remove a breakout room. Evenly distributing between rooms. Another option is for rooms to be evenly distributed by using this feature provided. In the Attendees widget, click on the Breakout Room View button, which we are currently on right now. And this time click on the Evenly Distribute from Main button. By clicking on this, you'll now see all the attendees have been moved to separate rooms. The reason I have stayed in breakout room 1 is because I am currently set as a host, where everyone who was not in the host role has been moved to a separate room. A broadcast message is used to communicate to all groups at the same time. This can be used when providing them notice that the breakout rooms will be ending soon. You can send a message stating that the breakouts will be ending so the groups can finish their discussion, and then they will know they'll return to the main room shortly. To send this message, you're going to click on the Pod Options dropdown, and then click on Broadcast Message. You can then type your message into this spot. And now each user has received a message on their screen letting them know that breakout sessions will be ending shortly. As the host, you can end the breakout rooms in the breakout room view by clicking on the End Breakouts button. As you can see, I've clicked on this and now everyone is brought back to the main room. And we're all able to discuss now outside of the breakout rooms. To review, Module 7.2 has shown you how to use the Adobe Connect environment to create and manage breakout rooms. You have observed how to assign attendees to different rooms, visit breakout rooms while in session, and send message to all attendees while in breakout rooms. It is now your opportunity to apply this knowledge. Please take this time now to set up breakout rooms and manage your attendees in the practice environment made available to you. You can always refer back to this video for instructions on how to complete these tasks. Thank you very much, and video 7.3 will be available next.